I will divide this plant to make any new plants. The first step is to carefully remove the aloe vera from its current container. Tap the pot from outside, or turn the pot upside down and tap it gently to loosen the plant's root ball. Once it's loose, slide the plant out of the pot. Here, you can see that the aloe vera has produced several offshoots or pups around the base. These are the one I will be separating to propagate. Carefully remove the soil around the roots. Gently separate the pups from the mother plant using your hands. Just give a downward twist to separate, or you can use a clean, sharp knife to cut them away from the main plant. Trim any excessively long or damaged roots. This encourages new root growth and helps the plant establish its end to prevent fungal infections. Now take a pot that has many drainage holes at its bottom. Good drainage is very important, otherwise the standing water in the pot will rot the roots and kill the plant. The planting soil should be porous and free-draining, so mix some coarse river sand or perlite and some compost in a regular potting soil. The river sand is added to make the potting mix free-draining, while compost makes the soil nutritious. Fill the pot with the soil mix, leaving enough space at the top for the plants to settle in comfortably. Carefully place the pup in the pot, making sure the roots are well covered with soil. Gently press down the soil around the base of the plants for stability. Give them a good drink, but remember not to overwater, as succulents prefer slightly dry conditions. Overwatering is the #1 cause of death for succulent plants, and that is why it is super important to make sure you use the right type of soil and pot to plant aloe vera pups. These are the 2 new plants from the pups. This is the new plant grown from the smaller pup. It has become very beautiful in just 6 months. Place your new aloe vera pups in a spot with bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight. Water them sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between watering. Keep an eye on their growth and repot again as needed when they outgrow their new pots. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Happy gardening! See you next time.